Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting lined up for you. We're diving into 8 challenging words from the entertaining movie Ghosted. Stick with us until the end, and you'll boost your English vocabulary like never before. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's make learning fun and easy together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Are you ready? Let's go!
Sorry, I can't sell you this plant. I can't sell it to you in good conscience.
Good conscience? What are you, the patron saint of plants?
I just don't feel comfortable selling a plant to someone that can be so indifferent towards a living
Indifferent?
thing. I can't sell it to you in good conscience.
We use the word conscience to describe the inner sense of what is right or wrong in one's conduct or motives. It's like having a moral compass that guides your decisions and actions based on principles or values. For example, imagine you are considering selling a product that you know is defective. Your conscience might prevent you from doing so because you believe it's unethical to deceive customers. This sense of moral responsibility is what we call conscience. In simple terms, conscience is the voice inside your head that tells you whether something is right or wrong, and it can make you feel guilty or conflicted if you go against it.
Hey Tom, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's on your mind, Anna?
I did something last night that's been weighing on my conscience.
Oh, what happened?
I borrowed your laptop without asking and accidentally spilled coffee on it. I tried to clean it up, but I'm feeling guilty about it.
I appreciate you telling me, Anna. It takes a strong conscience to admit when you've made a mistake.
I just couldn't keep it to myself. My conscience was eating away at me.
Well, I'm glad you did. Let's see if we can fix it together.
Thanks, Tom. I'll make it up to you, I promise.
No worries, Anna. It's all about owning up to our actions and learning from them.
What are you, the patron saint of plants?
We use the word patron to describe someone who supports or protects a person, organization, or cause, often by giving money or help. It's like being a guardian or a sponsor who provides assistance or encouragement. For example, imagine there is a local artist who creates beautiful paintings but struggles to sell them. A patron might buy their art or give them money so they can continue their work. This kind of supportive person is what we call a patron. In simple terms, a patron is someone who helps or supports another person or group, often by providing financial aid or other forms of assistance.
Hey Sarah, have you been to the art gallery that just opened?
Yes, I went there last weekend. It's fantastic. The curator is passionate about art and treats every patron with such warmth.
That sounds like a wonderful experience. I'll have to visit soon. I love supporting local artists.
You should definitely go. Being a patron at the gallery not only supports the artists, but also enriches our cultural scene.
Absolutely. I believe in the importance of being an active patron of the arts. It helps foster creativity and community.
Totally agree. It's empowering to be a patron and contribute to the flourishing of the arts in our city.
What are you, the patron saint of plants?
We use the word saint to describe a person who is very holy and virtuous. It's like being a role model for others because of your exceptional kindness and righteousness. For example, imagine someone who dedicates their life to helping the poor and sick, always putting others before themselves. This kind of person might be considered a saint. In simple terms, a saint is a person who is extremely good and kind, often admired for their selflessness and moral character.
You know, Mark, sometimes I think you're a real saint for putting up with all the chaos at work.
A saint? Hardly. I just try to stay calm and help out where I can.
Seriously, you have the patience of a saint. Remember last week when the printer broke down? You were the only one who didn't lose their cool.
Well, I guess if being patient makes me a saint, I'll take it. But really, it's just about keeping things in perspective.
Perspective or not, I still think we should get you a halo. You're the office saint, no doubt about it.
I just don't feel comfortable selling a plant to someone that can be so indifferent towards a living thing.
Indifferent?
We use the word indifferent to describe a person who does not care about something or someone. It's like when you have no interest or concern about what happens. For example, imagine you see a person walk past a lost puppy without stopping to help or even look at it. This lack of interest or care is what we call being indifferent. In simple terms, indifferent means not caring about something or someone, showing no interest, concern, or sympathy.
Have you noticed how indifferent James has been lately?
Yeah, it's hard to miss. He seems completely indifferent to everything going on around him.
I asked him about the project deadlines, and he was so indifferent. It's like he doesn't care at all.
I tried to get his opinion on the new proposals, but his response was just indifferent. I don't know what's going on with him.
Maybe we should talk to him. Being so indifferent can't be a good sign.
Hey, Cole. Are you okay?
Yeah, heard you got dumped. It's a break, man.
Edna,
I gossip when I'm bored.
for your information, it was mutual.
That's what everyone says after getting dumped.
That's true.
Heard you got dumped. It's a break, man.
We use the word dumped to describe a situation where someone ends a romantic relationship with another person. It's like when someone decides they don't want to be in a couple anymore and tells the other person that the relationship is over. For example, imagine you are dating someone and they tell you that they don't want to be together anymore. You might feel sad or hurt because you didn't want the relationship to end. This situation is what we call being dumped. In simple terms, dumped means that someone has broken up with you, and it usually makes you feel unhappy or rejected.
Hey, Emma, I need to talk to someone about what happened.
Sure, Mike, what's going on?
My wife dumped me last night.
Oh no, Mike, I'm so sorry. How did it happen?
She sat me down and dumped all her frustrations about our relationship on me. Then she said she couldn't do it anymore and dumped me right there.
That's so harsh. Did she give any reasons for why she dumped you?
She said she felt unloved and unappreciated, but instead of trying to work through it, she just dumped all her feelings at once and left.
I can't believe she dumped you like that. You must feel devastated.
Yeah, I feel like my whole life got dumped on the floor. It's hard to process.
You didn't deserve to be dumped in such a sudden way. If you need to talk or anything, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Emma. It helps to have someone to talk to after being dumped so unexpectedly.
I gossip when I'm bored.
We use the word gossip to describe talking about other people's private lives, often sharing information or stories that may not be true. It's like discussing what others are doing or saying when they are not there to defend themselves. For example, imagine you hear that a colleague might be getting a promotion and you tell your friends about it even though it's just a story you heard. This kind of conversation is what we call gossip. In simple terms, gossip means chatting about someone else's personal business, especially when it involves spreading unverified information or stories.
Hey Sarah, have you heard the latest gossip?
No, what's the gossip this time?
Apparently, there's some gossip going around about Jake being humiliated by his classmates in class.
Oh no, really? What's the gossip about it?
People are saying he didn't do his homework, and the teacher called him out in front of everyone. It's all anyone can gossip about today.
That's awful. I wonder how much of the gossip is true.
You know how gossip spreads. It's probably exaggerated, but still.
Yeah, gossip usually is. But it's hard not to get caught up in it sometimes.
Totally. I just hope this gossip doesn't make things worse for Jake.
Same here. Gossip can be so damaging if people aren't careful.
For your information, it was mutual.
We use the word mutual to describe something that is shared or agreed upon by two or more people. It's like when both people feel the same way or make a decision together. For example, imagine you and your friend both decide that you no longer want to work on a project together. You both agree that it's best to stop working as a team. This kind of agreement is what we call mutual. In simple terms, mutual means that both people are in agreement or share the same feeling about something.
Hey, Sarah, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Sure, what's up, Alex?
I think we should end our relationship. It's not working out for either of us.
Yeah, I've been feeling the same way. It's definitely mutual.
I'm glad you feel that way too. I want us to part on good terms, you know?
Absolutely. Let's make it a mutual decision and try to remain friends.
Agreed. It's important for both of us to move forward in a positive way.
Definitely. I'm glad we can handle this like mature adults.
Me too. Thanks for understanding, Sarah.
Of course, Alex. We both deserve to be happy.